Welcome to this quick walkthrough of Filestage's new Jira integration. This integration lets you track your file review progress directly within Jira tickets, keeping everything centralized and helping you manage your projects seamlessly without having to switch between apps. Here's how to connect your Filestage projects to Jira in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Jira account and head to the Atlassian Marketplace. Search for Filestage. Once you find the app, click Get It Now to install it into your Jira workspace. Now let's connect your Filestage reviews to Jira. Open the Jira task you'd like to sync with Filestage. You'll see an option to enter a review link. You have two options here. To sync a single file, simply copy and paste that file's review link. To sync an entire reviewer group, copy the group's review link and paste it into Jira. Once connected, Jira will display key information like file versions, review statuses, deadlines, and reviewer decisions. That's it. Now your Jira tasks and Filestage reviews are fully connected, streamlining your workflow and enhancing collaboration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.